Welcome Sumos! Today I'm going to be unboxing a Casio watch and give you my first impressions. It was my birthday last week and my sister-in-law purchased the watch with the help of my wife. They somehow infiltrated my eBay watch list and purchased the watch, which I was going to buy and review in the future anyway. The watch model reference is Casio F-108WH-2AEF. Now this watch comes in a few different colour variations, but the one in today's video is midnight blue. I think this colourway is unique to the UK. An all black version is also available, but for about double the price, and I could only find it on Amazon. I don't believe this was made for the UK domestic market. I haven't opened the watch from the box, so this is my first time seeing the watch. So, as you can see, the watch comes in this fairly compact Casio box. The model reference is written on the white sticker on the back. There are a few other markings and symbols in Japanese on the box. For those of you who are not aware, Casio is a Japanese consumer electronics company with its headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. I'll place the watch down for a moment and I'll have a look at the box and the accessories the watch comes with. I know this isn't very interesting for most people, but as a consumer I always appreciated videos in which the reviewer would show everything that came with the item that they were reviewing. At first I thought the box was empty, but clearly I was tired during filming because the warranty card and manual are inside. Here is some footage of me struggling with the box. So 5 hours later I finally figured out how to work the box. Inside are a number of paper documents and a thick book, which is the manual for the watch. The manual-user guide is in English and a few other languages. You also have a registration card which gives you some information on how to register your watch online, and that by doing so you automatically get entered into a draw to win a prize. Pause the video if you want to read anything. The warranty card you can see here is just some paper that is written in several languages. So the watch. My sister-in-law purchased the watch from a retailer we have in the UK called Argos for £15 or about $19 US. This is actually the cheapest I've been able to find it, so if you're thinking about buying this watch, this is something to consider. The watch is wrapped in this plastic packaging and sits on a black foam holder. Attached to the watch is a Casio tag, which again lists the watch's serial number and model number. The watch dial is protected with this plastic sticker. Here are some shots of the watch. Now one thing immediately noticeable is how light it is. Similar to other Casios, I'm guessing it has a resin construction which makes it both light and durable. The first thing you notice is the length of the band. No doubt this watch will fit larger wrists. Peeling off the plastic sticker, I immediately noticed some damage on the dial. Look directly under the 29. A part of the dial seems to have disappeared. Now this was the first time I saw the watch, so I was slightly taken aback. It seems to be something to do with the LED screen. The damage fades pretty fast, but whilst I was filming, I was bewildered by the whole thing. As you can see, the watch is fine and the issue soon disappears. This is definitely an interesting unboxing experience, but let me move on to my initial thoughts of the watch. The whole watch seems to be made from resin, barring the back of the watch, which is a stainless steel plate. There are 6 lines of text written on the back, Casio in capitals followed by 3224F-108H, stainless steel back on the 3rd line followed by water resist, and finally made in China and EA. The back plate is screwed on by 4 small screws, a common feature in Casios and G-shocks of this style. Overall, I really like the shade of blue Casio used in this watch. The camera isn't doing it justice. It's not overly subtle, but it's not in your face either. It plays a perfect balance of being both sporty and versatile. You have water resist on the bottom of the face of the watch and WR above that. On the dial you have mode, light, alarm chrono and a stopwatch feature written in white font. At the top you have the Casio logo and above that you have the word illuminator printed in capitals also in white. The white and midnight blue contrasts work well. The band is a generous length, meaning it will fit larger wrist sizes like myself. The band can easily be changed via the cutouts, which allow you access to the spring bars. This is a very handy feature, especially if you mod your watches. The buttons that give you access to the controls of the Casio are shiny. I can only assume a silver painted brass. One thing that I'm incredibly impressed by is that the buckle of the watch is actually signed with the brand name Casio. I have many other watches around 15 to 20 times the price that don't have signed buckles or a crown. This is a really nice touch from Casio. Overall, I'm extremely impressed with this watch and I'm a very happy customer, or in this case recipient. I don't want this video to go on for too long as it was meant to be a quick unboxing and first impressions video. I'll leave you with a few wrist shots and size comparisons with a few of my other watches. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you enjoy the content as it helps me with the YouTube algorithms. Once again, thank you very much for watching Sumos. See you in the next one. Take care.